Oh, hey, it's Mark at Forbes Kia and Minus, and we're having a We Got Too Many Used Cars sales event.
Hi, I'm Hunter Brule. You'll find a great selection of cars, trucks, and SUVs during the Forbes Kia I Don't Want to Brush Snow Off All These Used Cars All Winter Sales event.
That's right, Hunter. We've never had a better selection of pre-owned cars, trucks, or SUVs. During the Forbes Kia, we need to sell these used cars and make more room for our second renovation and 3-year sales event.
This is your chance to save on a pre-owned vehicle here at Forbes Kia and Minus before we move into our outdoor portable prefab trailer office.
That's right, Mark, and we'll even throw in a free travel mug that you can wrap up and reuse for your office's mandatory Secret Santa gift exchange.
So stop in and see us right across the street from the big stop here in New Minas. So don't miss the I Don't Want to Brush Snow Off All These Pre-Owned Cars All Winter Sales event.